Welcome back to my Jamaican dream house. Today we're doing something a little different. There's some construction work happening just across the street from my house, and the builder was kind enough to invite me over to show you guys what's going on. In my project, I'm already past this stage, but I wanted to take the opportunity to show you how it's done all over again. This is the kind of work that goes into building a solid foundation for your dream home. And it's always interesting to see how other builders approach the same challenges.
So hold on there. You think I my girl that mix the matter? What happened? You think I you that mix the matter? No, me say you are the baddest for the matter, you know. Shelly, me say you are the baddest.
You man know Shelly? Are you special here?
Don't worry yourself, man. You have to sign on release too. That's how I make sure to take your back. Yes.
Construction site work.
Yeah, me I tell you.
Okay, for beautiful work.
I tell you, man. Jojo, what go on? Alright. You don't give no work? Oh, you don't want to work? Oh. So the staff full of already or what? Oh. And then we can't fit through them steel here, you know. And then we can't fit through them steel here. I have to take off with it, I didn't fit through it. Sorry, you there too? What go on, you good? Alright. No man, I go for YouTube. I don't really join the TikTok thing, yeah? There's Mr. Morrison, I still can't get my full pay. My full day pay. I'll never come late. What is this I got done today? Eh? You can't do it tomorrow? Oh. A foundation, footing. But I tell the people them still, yeah, you know, say, up north in New York, well, not New York, Florida. You just build the outside wall them, and everything inside, I make up. And my house can't, eh? For real, oh, watch you. Because you know, say, when I was younger, me and my sister have a fight. And she flipped me right through the wall. She can't do it yesterday though. I mash up.
As you can see, they're working on the foundation. When I was at this stage, I learned that this is one of the most critical parts of the building. If you get it right here, everything else becomes a lot easier down the line. The team here is doing a great job of mixing concrete. It's very similar to what I did on my house, but you'll notice a few differences, like the way they lay the steel. Every project has its own approach. And it's fascinating to see how builders adjust based on the conditions and available resources. When I was doing this on my own build, I had to make sure everything was perfectly level and that the materials were top quality, because any mistakes at this stage can lead to bigger problems later on. So, if you're thinking about building your own house, take your time here, get the right professionals involved, and make sure you're paying attention to the details. So, like I said, I've already been through this stage with my build, but it's great to revisit it and show you how it's done once again. It reminds me of how far my project has come.
But they really want to see Shelly for the matter board, you know. You say she bad for it. Eh? Oh, alright, tomorrow we see him then. Oh yeah, Shelly walk. Oh.
Thanks for watching. And if you're enjoying this content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments what part of the construction process you'd like to see more of. See you in the next one.